Dear children, let us continue with the same chapter, that is fractions, but I will give you the new topic, that is what? Subtraction of like fractions. Okay, and subtraction of like fractions. How can we do the subtraction? The same like addition only, right? Okay, subtract the numerators and write the difference over the denominator. What is difference? The answer in the subtraction. That we need to write it in the numerator only, right? Okay, and I will give you one example, 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. How can we do this, children? Okay, we need to find the difference between 5 and 2, right? And 5 minus 2 is what? That is 3 by 7 only. Okay, and the next one. Next I will give you some exercise problems. So exercise 7F and subtract. First question is what? 7 by 9 minus 1 by 9. How can we do this? 7 minus 1, that is the numerator, and denominator is same, that is 9. Okay, 7 minus 1, 9. That is 6 by 9, that is. And the next one is 8 by 9 minus 6 by 9. How can we do this, children? Okay, and 8 minus 6 by 9, that is 2 by 9. Okay, and the next one is 6 by 8 minus 1 by 8. How can we do this, children? And we need to subtract 6 minus 1, that is the numerator, and denominator is 8 itself, and this one is 5 by 8. Okay, and the next one is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. 3 minus 2, and denominator is 4 itself. Okay, and the next one is 8 by 8 minus 3 by 8. How? 8 minus 3 by 8, that is 5 by 8 only. Is it clear? Okay, then I will give you some word problems. First one is Hari drank 8 by 11 of buttermilk, and Sundar drank 9 by 11 of a glass of buttermilk. Who drank more and how much more he drank? How can we do this? And fraction of a glass of buttermilk, Sundar drank more. And first I want to tell you one thing. Who drank more here? Yeah, see the fraction 8 by 11, and this one is 9 by 11. Which one is more? Which one is bigger? That is 9 by 11 only. It is like fraction, right? So we need to consider only numerators. Which one is greater in the numerator? That is the greatest fraction, right? Okay, here 9 by 11 is the greater one, right? Okay, and so who drank more? Who drank more, children? That is Sundar drank more. Okay, and we need to find how much more also. How? A fraction of a glass of buttermilk, Sundar drank equals what? Fraction of a glass of buttermilk, Sundar drank more, equals how much? How can we find this? Find the difference between 9 by 11 and 8 by 11. Which answer you will get? Answer is what? 9 by 11 minus 8 by 11. You will get what? 1 by 11 of a glass. 1 by 11 of a glass. Is it clear? Okay, you need to compare only numerator, because it is like fractions only, denominators are same. So don't worry about the denominator, we need to consider only numerators. And the next one is the fruit salad recipe needs 1 by 5 kg apples and 3 by 5 kg grapes. Which fruit is required in greater amount and by how much? The fraction of kilogram of apples needs for fruit salad equals how much only? How much only, children? Tell me. That is what? Apple is how much only? 1 by 5 kg. Here we need to write 1 by 5 kg. Okay. And the fraction of kilogram of grapes needed for fruit salad equals how much only? needs for fruit salad is how much? How much only? You look at and see, and that is 3 by 5, right? Okay, 3 by 5 kg. And which one only greater here? 1 by 5 or 3 by 5? That is 3 by 5. So, which fruit we need more only, right? Which fruit only we need more? That is grapes only, right? Because see the numerators here 1 by 5, here 3 by 5, 3 is greater than 1. So, which one is greater only? Grapes needs more only, right? Okay. And the more grapes needed for fruit salad equals how much, children? How can we find it like that? The more grapes needed for fruit salad, how can we find? Okay, tell me 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, you will get what? 3 minus 1, denominator is same, that is 2 by 5. Okay, and 2 by 5 kg more only, right? Okay, this much more only. The grapes needed for, the more grapes needed for fruit salad is how much? Okay, first they ask for, what is the question here? You look at the question. Which fruit is required in greater amount? That is grapes only. And after that they are asking for how much? That also we need to find. Okay, how can we find it like that? We need to subtract the amount of grapes minus the amount of apples. You will get the answer only. Is it clear? Okay, then I will give you some homeworks. The homework questions are exercise 7F, page number 128. First one, question number 3, F, G and H. And the second one is question number 4, B. Okay, that you have to do it at home, right? Is it clear, children? Okay, thank you.